So we are at Jyoti CNC Limited. We are at Town of Technology. Let's go peep inside their room to see what is cooking up. How are you, sir?
I'm good. How are you doing? Thank you very much. I'm good.
How was your trip to Chennai?
Chennai has been good. ACMEE happening, and hopefully we should be doing good business.
So it is also called the Detroit of India.
Absolutely.
Mostly people concentrating specifically on automotive components. And how is Jyoti helping them to bring in all the needs to be satisfied by customers?
Yeah. So as you rightly put it, it is the Detroit of India, and to ensure that we treat Detroit right, we have a combination of machines to help the automobile industry uh, gain more productivity, more technology, and give them the optimized solutions. So we are ready to ensure that we capitalize on this opportunity, and that is evident from the machines that we have displayed at ACME.